Tape blocks are building blocks that use conductive tape rather than wires to form a circuit. There are many different types of tape blocks, including a power tape block, an LED tape block, a bicolor LED tape block, a vibration tape block, a resistor tape block, a connector tape block, a button tape block, a light resistor tape block, a tilt switch tape block, To make a tape block, 2 parallel strips of conductive tape are wrapped all the way around the block. Components form a bridge between the positive and negative tape. A second block is created to function as a component block. Each component is placed either under or on top of the conductive tape. When a power block and a component block are connected correctly, the component activates. Tape blocks are very versatile and can be used for stacking, breadboarding, creating, and programming.